What's up YouTube fam? It's your boy J Will back at it again, and in today's video I got something real special for you guys. So if you're a producer, I want to show you a way that you can upload your beats to all platforms and earn that streaming revenue as well. And also to my artists, rappers, singers, all you guys out there, country artists as well, I want to show you a way that you can upload your music to almost all streaming platforms so that you can earn that streaming revenue as well. Alright, so before we get started, bring in the hook. Alright, so now we got that out the way. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to DistroKid for sponsoring this video today. Alright, and so basically, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. DistroKid is a platform that you can upload an unlimited amount for a small amount per year. We're talking as small as $20 per year. You can upload as much as you want to the platform. It's going to upload your music to Spotify, Pandora, Apple Music, all that good stuff. Also, DistroKid is giving me the opportunity to offer you guys 7% off an entire year of your subscription. So you get a big discount on just $20 a year. What else there is to think about? It's basically the best deal out there right now. $20, unlimited uploads. You can't beat that with a stick, you know? Otherwise, you know, we gotta get it going, man. You gotta find a way to secure that bag. Make sure you do what you do best. If you think DistroKid is for you, which I know is for you, hit that link below, get your 7% off today, and let's go ahead and make this money.